This is a quick tutorial showing you how to connect to your personal hotspot on the iPhone. From the home screen, find the Settings app. Tap the Settings app to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Personal Hotspot. In Personal Hotspot settings, tap the slider beside Allow Others to Join. It should turn green, indicating that it's enabled. The password to connect to your personal hotspot is shown in the Wi-Fi password field. You can update that password if you choose to do so by tapping in that field. The new password must be at least 8 characters and preferably contain a combination of letters and numbers. Once you're satisfied with your new password, tap Done to save it. Tap Settings in the top left corner of the Personal Hotspot page to return to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, tap General. In the General menu, tap About. In the About menu, the name of the device is shown. You can change that name by clicking in this field. This is also the name of your personal hotspot. For this tutorial, I'm going to change the name of this device to a hotspot. So you just type in your new name here and click Done on the keyboard when you're satisfied with the name that you've chosen. Once that's complete, you can click the Home button to exit the Settings menu and return to the home screen. Over on the device that we want to share our personal hotspot with, we'll go to our available Wi-Fi networks and we'll find our personal hotspot name. Once we find the name, we'll type in the password to connect to our personal hotspot. We can check to make sure we're connected, and then we can open up the web browser, and we should be able to hop online and surf to a web page with no problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful tips, and if you have any comments or concerns, drop any questions that you may have below in the comment box. Thanks again.